What's going on, everyone? This is Philip Sunkel with Alex McWilliam Real Estate here in sunny Vero Beach. Today we are at my listing at 850 Lake Orchid Cir, number 201 in the amazing 55 plus community of Grove Isle. Tons of amenities here. You've got 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, you've got tennis, you've got river access, which is really rare in neighborhood in this price range. But what I really want to show you is my listing. So it is totally renovated, top to bottom, new repiping, new electrical, AC is newer, water heater's newer, but all the appliances are brand new, bathroom's brand new, kitchen brand new. So we're gonna go take a look at that. It's coming in at 1,400 square feet, and man, does it have incredible views. So let's go take a look right now at 850 Lake Orchid Cir, number 201, priced at $299,000. Again, my name is Phil Sunkel. I'm a realtor with Alex McWilliam Real Estate. My phone number is 772-538-2339. Let's go take a look. Okay, so right now I'm standing in the kitchen of this wonderfully updated condo here in Grove Isle. As you can see, right when you walk in the condo, it's just super warm, inviting, a relaxing, comfortable spot. The whole unit has just completely been redone. It's something to really see in person. I really feel like photos, video, it just does not do this justice. And to get a condo that's basically brand new at $299 is kind of unheard of, and then in this neighborhood to get views like this, you'll see here in a minute, is extremely rare. It's in a great spot in the community. You're less than, probably a 3-minute walk to the big clubhouse. So you're right in the mix of the neighborhood. let's go take a look at the living room, and then we'll take a look at the guest bedroom, and then we'll head on into the primary suite. I do just want to point something out right here too. In almost all the units in Grove Isle except the corners, they do not have these windows. So these impact windows here, that's additional. They're pretty rare to have this much light in a unit. So the amount of light this unit gets is substantially better than the units in the middle. And you can see here too, this bathroom even has a window, which usually they don't. But now we'll head on into the master and we'll take a look there. listing at 850 Lake Orchid Circle number 201, listed at $299,000. As you can see, this is a phenomenally renovated condo here in Profile. If you're interested in this condo or thinking about moving to the Vero area or selling your home, give me a call. My number is 772-538-2339. Again, my name is Sunkel, and I'm the realtor here at Vero Beach with Alex McWilliam Real Estate.